Today, you're getting a sneak peek into SocLeads, an affordable way to scrape emails from social media and Google Maps for lead generation. Between fancy marketing tools and paid ads, you're throwing every dollar at new leads instead of growing your business. But there's a smarter, leaner way to scrape emails. All you need is SocLeads. You can use keywords and hashtags to scrape emails from Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and X. And with your monthly credits, you'll be able to automatically validate emails and remove duplicates for clean, reliable data. Speaking of which, SocLeads is offering a limited time Tier 3 plan, which credits you 25,000 contacts every month. Better yet, your new contacts will include emails, validation status, names, homepages, and even phone numbers, perfectly packaged to kickstart your outreach. You can even scrape emails, websites, and phone numbers from Google Maps. It's the easiest way to target local prospects or create highly competitive lookalike ads and cold email outreach. SocLeads is designed to help you connect with all kinds of businesses. Whether you're selling equipment to restaurants in your area, designing interactive websites for realtors, or partnering with fitness trainers, it'll be easier than ever to initiate outreach. Plus, SocLeads is always compliant and up to code, so you can scrape data with confidence. Fill your pipeline with high-quality leads without breaking the bank. Click Buy Now to lock in your lifetime access to SocLeads today.